Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus FX517ZE. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Asus FX517ZE won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue is often caused by a faulty power supply or a dead battery. If left unaddressed, it could lead to more extensive damage or data loss. So, let's get started on diagnosing and repairing your device. For this repair, you'll need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. First, ensure you're working in a static-free environment to avoid damaging the internal components. To safely open the Asus FX517ZE, start by turning it over and locating the screws on the back cover. Carefully remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver, noting their sizes and positions for reassembly later. Once the screws are out, use your plastic prying tool to gently pry the back cover off. Be cautious not to damage any clips along the edges. Now, with the back cover removed, you should see the internal components. The most common failure point is the battery or the charging port. To locate the battery, follow the wires from the charging port. If the battery appears swollen or damaged, it will need to be replaced. To extract the battery, disconnect the cable carefully using your flathead screwdriver if necessary. Make sure to apply gentle pressure to avoid breaking any connectors. If you are replacing the battery, take your new battery and connect it to the motherboard, ensuring a secure fit. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, reassemble the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Replace all screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tight but not overly so, as this could strip the threads. Finally, turn your device back on to verify that it powers up successfully. If it does, congratulations on completing the repair. To prevent this issue from happening again, make sure to keep your laptop charged regularly and avoid using it in extreme temperatures. Regular maintenance checks can also help catch issues early. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.